Hello. First, before you get started, make sure you have access to the custom sidebar page. See below for details. It's fast, easy, and free. Do this simple experiment and see how making AI think inside ZBox will take your content to an entirely new dimension. Open the custom sidebar page and an AI chat platform or two. I will be using ChatGPT 4 or Canvas and Perplexity. The free versions will work. Create a main subject or keyword for your prompt. I will use puppy training for this example. You can do the same, but try using different prompt buttons to see for yourself how much impact this simple two-step process is to get AI to produce much more unique and interesting content for you to use in your content marketing projects. Create a box that limits what AI will write about in the next steps. One good and easy way to do this is to click on the One Popular Questions button. Modify it with your topic or keyword. In our example, we are using puppy training. If you have the AI Feeds box version, enter the prompt. What are 25 popular questions about puppy training today? We can then take the best responses and run them through ChatGPT and Perplexity. Another option for you to text is to enter the same prompt into either ChatGPT, Perplexity, or both. Once you get the results from creating the box, then give it a unique twist. Click to open the How Does It Apply prompts. Pick one that looks like a good fit for your topic. For puppy training, a few look very interesting, like chaos theory, positive feedback loop, the Pareto principle, and others. Look at the results. Use your human intelligence to pick and choose the best results to create content from a totally unique perspective. Now take it a step further. Enter a topic brought up earlier in your conversation with AI. I will use, what do I do if my puppy is scared of loud noises? Click to open writing styles. Select Mr. Rogers, which gives you a prompt something like, what do I do if my puppy is scared of loud noises? Using a Mr. Rogers writing style, check the results from both ChatGPT and Perplexity. Now, just make a simple change. Change Mr. Rogers to using a scientific American writing style. Compare the difference just changing the writing style makes in the results. The Mr. Rogers version is perfect for kids' videos and the scientific American version for an older, more educated audience. Time for a quick review. Enter your topic or keyword phrase and create a thought box that tells the artificial intelligence very specifically what to think about. For example, what are 25 popular questions about puppy training now? Then create a prompt using one of the How Does It Apply to suggestions, like chaos theory or positive feedback loop, to give your content a unique perspective. Take it a step further and add a writing style to your prompt. Repeat using a variety and combinations of the 25 questions, ideas to apply them to, writing styles, and different AI chat platforms. You don't have to be a rocket scientist to see a huge boost to the quality of your AI content. People with an IQ higher than plant life are hurrying to get their own custom sidebar page. It's free and easy. Get yours now.